Hi everyone, welcome to the Random Home Gadgets channel. The Govee permanent outdoor lights are one of the most popular DIY holiday light decor in the market. In this video, I'll show you the feature comparison of the original version and the newly released Pro version first, and then show you the unboxing, installation, and review of the original version Govee RGBIC LED permanent outdoor lights. This product was first released in August 2022 and was a big hit. It was completely sold out by Christmas. On October 16, 2023, Govee released the Pro version with added features and higher price. The original version is currently on sale. I'll put the link for both the original version and the Pro version in the description below. Here is the feature comparison for the original version and the Pro version. Both the original version and the Pro version have individually adjustable RGB LEDs. The Pro version also adds dedicated white LED to produce specific white color from warm white to cool white. The original version only comes with white color light housing and cable. The Pro version comes with either white or black color. The original version has 12 lights per string. The Pro version only has 10 lights per string. To compensate for the less lights, the Pro version has double the brightness at 50 lumen per light versus the 25 lumen per light for the original version. The Pro version light string can be cut and spliced. The original version cannot. The original version can be extended up to 150 feet. The Pro version can support up to 200 feet. However, we'll need a driver module that comes in the later time. The original version is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. The Pro version can additionally support Matter. The lights on both versions are IP67 rated. The control box are both IP65 rated. The power adapter on the original version is IP65 rated. The Pro version is IP67 rated. The price of the 100 feet lights is $299 for the original version and $100 more at $399 for the Pro version. Eventually, I decided to get the original version, which is over 40% cheaper and has more lights per feet. Unboxing. Installation. To prepare the installation, you need to plan out the length of the lights you need and how to route it to the power source. Here are the detailed measurements of all the components to help you plan ahead. Make sure to test all the lights before installing. The recommended installation location is under the eave, about 2 to 4 inches away from the wall. This might not be feasible for everyone. For my house, the eaves are made up of rough surface stucco. They won't hold the adhesive well, so I plan to install it on a wooden beam under the eaves, 12 inches away from the wall. You may use painted tapes to temporarily tape the lights up and test them to make sure you like the light effect at that location. When you are happy with the location of the lights, it's time to install them for real. First, clean off the surface. Peel off the 3M VHB tape cover. Press the light firmly on the clean surface for at least 5 seconds. Repeat for the next light. Govee also recommends securing the light with additional clips, approximately 4 clips for every light string. When you get to the next light string, connect the 3-pin connectors. Then screw the cap to make it watertight. At the end of the last string, cap the open connector to make it waterproof. App pairing. App control. You may find a widget of the permanent outdoor light in the device section. Tap the widget to show more control options. At the Effects Lab option, you may quickly find colors for different themes. At the Timer option, you may set basic timed actions. The action options are either turn the lights on or off. You may set a specific time of the day to activate the action. And select repeat at a certain day of the week. For example, here is how I set the lights to be turned on at 6 p.m. on every Monday to Thursday. Now you may see the edited action timer here. You may toggle it on or off. You may set a wake-up timer to turn the lights on with a gradual brightening effect. You may set a slipping countdown to gradually dim the lights till they are turned off. For more detailed scheduling, you may set it in the automation section. The autoplay function is a cloud-based function that commands the lights to automatically play a selected list of light effects. Tap to create a new list. Create a name. You may label it with an image. There are multiple play settings available with detailed descriptions of what they do. You may select a list of light effects here. Tap to add the desired light effects. You may choose the effects from preset scenes, DIY, or snapshots. Now you may quickly turn on or off autoplay here. The snapshot list option allows you to access any snapshots that you have taken. I haven't taken any snapshots yet, so it's currently empty. This is the snapshot button. Tap it to save a snapshot of the current light settings. Name it. Then you can quickly access and apply the same light setting via the snapshot list. The brightness bar allows you to change the LED light brightness. Here are the icons to select different light modes. In music mode, the lights change color according to the music rhythm. You may select the music scene source, sensitivity, and the light effects. In color mode, you may change the light color by segments. Each segment has 4 lights. Tap the segments you want to change, then tap the color. You may toggle the color bar to change your color too. In the advanced setting, you may change the color of individual lights and select the light effects. In the scene mode, you may choose one of the many preset light effects. Tap the icon to apply the selected light effect. In DIY mode, you may create your own customized light effect. There are several light effect templates to choose from. Then you can customize specific parameters in the chosen effect. It will take some tinkering to create a good DIY effect. I won't elaborate too much here. You may also download other users' DIY creations. Tap the Earth icon to get to the Explore section. Select the permanent outdoor light. Click the More button at the DIY video section. You may see all the shared DIY creation by other users. Once you find the ones that you like, click the Apply button to load it onto your outdoor light. Here are my final thoughts of the Govee permanent outdoor lights. The pros are easy to set up and install, great for DIYers, large selection of preset light effects that fits any holiday and occasion, customizable length and blank with cut and spice. The cons are 3M tape and limited amount of provided clips may not be secure enough. The controller is not fully waterproof. Overall, the Govee permanent outdoor lights are great light decor suitable for all your special occasions and holidays. Once they are installed, you may say goodbye to the old days of hanging and taking off holiday lights every year. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. See you next time.